The Vue model directive is pretty neat and makes our life a lot simpler. It can be used on input, text area, and select elements. So one approach would be to convert all of our text into input elements. Let's test this out by converting the first headline into an input element. Of course, we would have to change the styling of the input element for this to make it look like a headline again. For this, we could remove the background and the border. What we cannot fix is that an input element is only one line long. It cannot break and continue into the next line. It is best to keep the non-input elements, so H4 in the case of headlines, and add content editable true to it. We cannot use Vue model on these non-input elements. Let's add content editable true to the heading and see what happens. A box renders around the text when we click on it. We can edit the text in the box, and if we hit enter, we see that the box would also span across lines. If we lose the focus, our input remains visible. The data object still needs to be updated. I will show you what I mean. Let's print out the current value of headline 1. You see, it does not get updated automatically. If we use an input element with Vue model, it does update. That is because the Vue model directive updates the data object. To achieve this functionality for our non-input elements, we need to add an event listener that updates the data property of the data object. As a reference point, this code is equivalent to Vue model. For a non-input element, the difference is that the text is not the value of the element, but the inner text. Therefore, we need to access it with event.target.innerText instead of with event.target.value. If you have the Vue Chrome extension installed, you can see the value update in there. As we can see, the data property updates.
Thanks for watching this newline tutorial. If you haven't already, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. It helps other students find our content.